Puff, your neighbor is weird and won't leave you alone.
The neighbor opens the door right when she leaves.
Yes, I'm okay. You don't have to open the door until I'm working. I'm just saying. I'm good.
Imagine waiting for this big order just for it to be stolen by the driver.
Thank you for
They were at the wrong home.
Did you give me the wrong key?
No, Kevin, that's my key!
That's not the right key.
This is the key.
That's not the right
This
key.
is my house. No, I swear to God, this is my house, right? I swear to
You
God.
have that?
This is not my house. This is not my
Their porch was burning down.
Hey! Hey, your house is on fire! What? Your house is on fire here!
What?
Your house!
Me?
I keep that with you.
We saw it as we were trying to
We-
Oh my God! Thank you! Oh my God!
Oh, wow.
Down in here too, Oh my God!
Wow, that was bad. Good thing we stopped.
Thank you!
What could have caused this fire?
Your car's on fire!
Everybody needs an attentive neighbor. Was he wrong here?
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family
Because
of
you
four.
fucking came over here, bitch. Keep your dog over there and we won't have no motherfucking issues. I don't give a fuck about none of that. Keep your punk ass dog over there, bitch.
This lady tried to follow them into their home. These porch pirates are so bold. Here's another. No rush. Who started this viral trend? He's trying to find the door for this key. The door didn't budge at all. They tried to steal his Lamborghini. the cheek of some people. No solicitors allowed.
Hey, how we doing, man? So, is this Solo DeSousa's here? Yeah. Oh, okay, perfect. I was just dropping by. I was on my way to an appointment with You guys always say the same thing. I'm on my way to an appointment. There's a fucking no soliciting sign. Piss off. Cheers, man. Have a good day.
Just out on a neighborhood stroll. Not every day that you see your neighbor arrested. Imagine random people fighting in your front yard.
Leave me alone! Knock on it. Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Stop that shit. Leave me alone. You just see what I mean? You know, you're a fuck. You just knocked my fucking shoes out, you motherfucker. You knocked my shoes out. You're done. You're done, bitch. You're done.
Every delivery driver's nightmare. They were at the wrong home. So bold. The driver had a front row seat.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
What's going on here?
How can I help you? What do you want? Hello? Either you answer me or you go away. What do you want? How those mosquitoes working for you? You speak English? Don't answer that. They won't talk to me on the... I don't know. They won't talk to me, so I'm not answering the door. And they can hear what I'm saying right now. They have a chance to say something, and they're not saying anything. They're here soliciting, so they need to leave. Or they can pay me my money that it says on the sign. Go away.
These guys were up to no good.
Yo.
Yo! Yo, Kevin! Come on, bro.
He couldn't find the ring camera.
What are you doing? Kurt. He's looking for you.
Kurt! Kurt, look here. Kurt! Hey, we can see you.
What?
We can see you.
Yeah, where?
Do you see that camera on the door?
Oh!